What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Nene Barcelini back again with another video. Today I have some corned beef, not corned beef egg rolls. I have mm, this is where it came from. It's called Asian corned beef. And they got the corned beef egg rolls. They got all type of egg rolls, girl. They got the corned beef cheddar fries. Get a screenshot if y'all want. If y'all go and look them up. They in Detroit. They go their address right there. Don't get it. Girl, look at the egg rolls, girl. Lobster roll, turkey Swiss and cheese, pastrami Swiss and cheese, okay? Grilled chicken Swiss and cheese, ground beef, mild pepper, cabbage and Swiss. Girl, spicy ground beef, cabbage and Swiss and cheese. Girl, they got steak Swiss and cheese, grilled onions, okay? Corned beef and cabbage. Girl, they got it. This is the pastrami. This is the pastrami egg roll. It slaps, okay? Okay, it's everything. Everything. That is. Everything. And the duck sauce. And duck sauce they give. Yeah. Okay. Mm. Mm. Girl. Mm-mm. I am so thirsty. Damn. I ain't gonna drink no more. Not right now. I'm so thirsty. Maybe it's hot. It's hot in here. What's to these egg rolls though? Okay, I got the lobster roll and the Philly steak and cheese roll. Let me see if it's steak and cheese. Oh, let me put some duck sauce. Girl. Okay. Okay. Philly steak and cheese. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, y'all better go get y'all some. Man, that's the spot. That's my new spot from now on. Hey, arrow slap. Okay. Whew. Okay. Oh, Buffalo wings from Motor City Casino, y'all. Not call the doctor and ask him to sit. Can you come over and sit on his couch? Mm-mm. Crazy. Girl, this Philly steak and cheese slapping, y'all. Please go get y'all some. Mmm. Ew. Mm-mm. 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 I'm just over. Ugh. Okay. Let me see what's to this lobster roll. I might not eat it all. I'm getting full. Okay, this the lobster roll. The lighting. Can't really see. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Oh, with some mac and cheese. Okay. Mm. Mm. Hey, with a lobster roll with some mac and cheese. Girl, it's good night. Good night. Mm-mm. say this. This is a hunk, okay? This is a whole meal with some mac and cheese, okay? I'm gonna save this one. I'm gonna save it for tomorrow. I'm gonna put it up, y'all. I'm getting full. Y'all know I just had a pastrami egg roll, a steak and cheese egg roll, and a little. Good. Let me tell y'all where I got this from. Yeah. Please, if you in Detroit, go to this location. Go to this location, please, and go get you an egg roll. They slapping. Really, I've never had a steak and cheese egg roll or any other type other than the one from Chinese joint. But, yeah. Oh, they did they big one. Okay, I'm full. Okay, no more pop. Okay. I love y'all, YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe. Huh. Girl, I'm gonna be burping all night. This shit was slapping, okay? Okay, love you. Love you, YouTube. I still haven't hooked up my microphone. But I will. Because I don't have this other piece. I don't have this part. We gonna get it together. We gonna get it together. Subscribe. Love you.